Hello everyone. Okay, so gently move down, connect your feet, open your knees, open your hips. And now first just slowly and gently move down. Try to relax your back and your neck. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Okay, then try to extend hands forward and slowly and gently grow up. Bring your hands up. Now from here gently twist right hand behind, shoulders down, extend your back. And relax your face, close your eyes. Good, okay, and hands up and inhale. And now exhale, move to your left hand behind, shoulders down and extend. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Great, okay. And now inhale. Then keep your feet in front, lift your knees, place your hands on your knees and then contract your abdomen and look inside. So contract your abdomen and stretch your back muscles. Now gently warm up your back. Grow up. Roll your shoulders backwards and down, and now open the chest and arch your back. If you can, relax your neck, drop your head. And then release, and again contract your abdomen. Try to extend your elbows, stretch your back muscles. Okay, and the same, slowly, gently grow up, shoulders down and arch your back, open the chest. Again, try to extend your elbows, drop your head down and relax your neck. Good, and now again, release. Contract your abdomen and look inside. Great. Grow up, extend your legs, push your heels outside. And now fold forward. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Now as you inhale, extend. And as you exhale, slowly, gently move down deeper. Inhale, extend your back. Correct your muscles if you need. And then exhale, move down deeper. So try to wave like an ocean. Move slowly. And inhale. And then exhale, wave your spine. Great. Grab your big toes with your hands. And now grow up, bend your right knee, move your foot backward. Okay, look forward. And then gently move down forward and relax your back and your neck. Okay, left foot up, look forward. And forward down. Relax. Repeat and right foot up. Open your hips. Warm up your hips. And then slowly, gently move down forward. Great. And one more time. Left leg. And then down forward. Relax your back and your neck. Extend. And now inhale. Okay, so shoulders down, hands up, strong back. Now work with your legs again. Right leg up. And release. Left leg up. And release. Right leg up, move it outside, bend your right knee, keep your right foot on the floor. And now left hand behind, fingers backward, and lift your pelvis. And gently here arch your back. Here level 1, open the chest. Level 2, move down deeper. Right hand down as well. And now slowly move down, release. Hands up and inhale, strong back, strong arms. And now first lift your left leg. And release. And now right leg. And release. Left leg up, move it out. Bend your left knee. Right hand behind, fingers backward. Okay? And then lift your torso again, gently open the chest. If you can, move down deeper slowly. So now warm up your back. And now release slowly, gently. Move down. Extend your legs. Hands again up and inhale. And now grab your feet. Relax your back and your neck. Observe the sounds. Observe your breath. Keep breathing slowly. And gently stretch. Take a rest. Good, okay. And now extend and slowly grow up, move up. Good, hands down. Now, gently shift your weight. Lift your pelvis. And then from here, plank. And now up. And plank. And then up. Okay, one more time. And plank. And then bring it up. Good. So then drop your elbows down. Keep your hands in front. Okay, try to look forward between your hands. And then lift your heels. Take your time. And then walk forward with your feet. Move your pelvis as high as you can and hold it. Then shift your weight backward. And again forward, heels up. Keep your toes on the floor. And then down, backward. And up. And release. Great. Drop your knees down, take a rest. Relax your back, relax your neck, relax your arms. Relax your shoulders, close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good. And now again, grow up. Lift your pelvis. And keep moving again. Plank. And then up. And then plank. And then up. And plank. Lift it up. Great. So then again, elbows down. Bring your feet closer, lift your pelvis. And now try to split your legs. Lift your right foot. Keep your left foot on the floor. And just shift your weight. And release. Then switch. So right heel up, left foot up. Try to split your legs. Look forward. Keep your right foot on the floor. Don't lift it up yet. Okay, then switch. And again, right foot up. And release. And then your left foot up. And release. Great, okay? Again, take your time. Take a rest. Pelvis down and relax. Close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good, okay, and now again, grow up. If you need, shake your arms. Relax your muscles. Pelvis up. Good. And then plank. Strong arms. And then up. And plank. And then up. Great. And plank. And then up. Great. So now elbows down. Look forward. Shift your weight. Split your legs. And now, so move more and try to lift your left foot slightly up. Try to split your legs right now. So do not connect your legs. If you feel fine, so then move your left leg up as well. If you need to use a wall, and then press, 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 press up. Slowly move down. So if you feel that your split is not good enough yet, then you can do another option. So here you can take Prasarita Padottanasana. This is more difficult, but if your split is not good, then it would be, I think, easier for some people. So also elbows down, look forward between your hands, And then slowly, gently shift your weight. And try to lift your feet slowly up. Use a wall if you need again. And try to find the balance. Okay? So, level 1, or option 1 or option 2. If you need, pause the video and try to do it 2-3 times. Okay? And then slowly, after that, slowly, gently move down again. And relax. Close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Great, okay. Then grow up. Find comfortable position. You can sit down on your heels. If you need, you can use a block. Okay, then lift your hands and inhale. Now your right hand on your back, left hand on your elbow. Gently pull. And then connect your hands behind. Try to flat your back. Okay, cool down and relax. Great, and hands up, inhale. Now your left hand on your back, right hand on your elbow, gently pull. Connect your hands behind. Close your eyes, relax your face. Observe the sounds, observe your breath. Good, okay. And then hands up and inhale. And now exhale. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. And try to calm down. Slowly open your eyes. See you next time. Okay, bye-bye.